All right, for question 4 here, we're looking at equivalent ratios. So we're looking at which of these answer choices is equivalent to what's in the table. So one of the ways we can do this is 7 to 10 is our original ratio. This is 7 times 3 times 5 times 6. And so times 3 times 5 times 6. So what we're looking for is for 18 to 20. Does 7 go into 18 evenly? Well, no. So it's not A. Does 7 go into 30 evenly? So it's not B. Does 7 go into 14 evenly? Yes, 2 times. So does 10 go into 20 evenly? Yes, 2 times. That's the same. So it's C. And when we look at it, does 7 go into 50 evenly? No. So it's not D. And that's it. We're just looking for an equivalent ratio here. That's all we're doing on that question. Now, for question 5. Hannah planted flowers next to the school playground. She planted 5 daisies, 4 sunflowers, and 8 tulips. What is the ratio of the number of daisies planted to the total number of flowers? So total number of flowers. Well, 5 daisies plus 4 sunflowers plus 8 tulips. Well, that's 9 plus 8 is 17. Daisies is 5, so it's 5 to 17. And since only one answer choice had the total number of flowers of 17, it had to be that answer choice. Okay. Casey has a total of 24 pens. 18 of his pens are blue, the rest are red. What is the ratio of blue to red pens? Well, if 18 are blue, that's 24 minus 18 is 6, so 6 red. So that's 18 to 6. Well, notice none of these say 18 to 6. So which one is equivalent to that? Well, bigger number first. Well, 3, 4. That's the smaller number first. 1, 3, smaller number first. So that means it's either B or C. Well, if we look at B, 3 to 1, what times 3 is 18? Well, that's 6. So if I multiply both by 6, I get 18 to 6. So it's B. 4 doesn't go into 18, so it doesn't work. Okay, let's take a look at number 7. A fisherman catches an average of 8 fish every 2 hours. At the same rate, how many fish should he catch in 21 hours? Well, 2 doesn't go into 21. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. Personally, I prefer a table. So fish, hours, and so 8 every 2, so that means 4 every 1. Well, now, to get from 1 to 21, I multiply by 21. And so, multiply by 21. 21 times 4 is 84. And so, choice D. Now, we can use a number line and count up to that, but it's your choice. And so, if we do the number line, it would look like this. Fish, hours, well, 2, and so then we'd go to 1. That was 8, so that would be 4. And so then we'd be counting up to 21. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. And so here we'd be going by 4s. So 12, 16, 20, 24. That's supposed to be red, sorry. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84. And so that's where we'd want. Okay.